Hey guys, I just wanted to jump on and show you how I plop. A lot of you have been asking me this, so I figured I would just show you. I'm going to show you the two ways that I plop. One is using the Riso towel that I received. This is a microfiber plopping towel. I prefer to use this one over a t-shirt because it's very plush and absorbent and it helps me dry my hair faster. However, a lot of people do prefer cotton shirts. They work great as well. So I'm gonna start with this shirt. I think the most confusing part is how to tie it. So I always start with a long sleeve shirt because it's easier to tie with the sleeves because the sleeves are longer. So you just lay it flat. I lay the neck toward me. And then I'm going to take my hair right into the center of the shirt. And let me see, I need to move this so you can see it better. Okay, so I'm gonna take my hair to the center of the shirt and then I'm gonna start rolling this back and rolling the front up as well. So you stick it in like this. And then I take the back over and then roll the front up to your forehead and wrap the sleeves around like this. Okay, and you see what I mean, why I like the sleeves to be longer, they're easier to tie. I tie like this, and then I tuck the sleeves in to themselves, and then I pinch these down. So that's how I plop with the shirt. Again, I prefer using this because it's a lot easier, so I'm gonna show you how to do that. I'm probably disrupting my curl pattern and making some frizz by doing this, but that's totally okay for the sake of education, right? Take it out carefully. Okay, and essentially the same thing here. So I want the hook or the button to be in the back. You can turn it around if you want and have the button be in the front, but I want it in the back, so I'm gonna put it towards the front. And then in the deepest part of my towel, same thing. Gather my hair, bring this up, twist, and then take this loop, move it out of the back. That's it. If you guys have any other questions, let me know. Thanks.